And there it is. Now remember, I'm still using a temporary, well, not remember, I'm using a temporary fuse on here, which is just a piece of wire. And a pair of headphones because I don't have a speaker in here yet. And, yeah. So this thing is coming along great. So once I get the fuses, the speaker, actually I might have a speaker that I can put in here, but it ain't going to be original, unfortunately. Like the true OEM speaker, but it's going to work out great. And I might spruce up the shell, get a new lens for the shell, and then get some adhesive, put it on the screen and call it a day. But I might do something else, like swap member, like make things work. And the start and select buttons are not totally flush. I think it's because I put the wrong ones in here. But in the end, it kind of works. Well, the only thing that's not working right is the screen. The buttons all work, which is great. Backlight works, which is great. It reads cartridges just fine. Anyway, that's the Game Boy Pocket. Game Boy Light. I'm next up maybe doing the Game Boy Light, the Game Boy Pockets. But this one I'm going to finish up first before I actually do that. And that's just a temporary screen just to see if it works, which it does. So I'm happy, very happy that it works. See, even a dummy like me can actually fix junk from eBay. Well, this came from Japan. So I might, like I said, I might fix up the shell, paint it to the original color and stuff, because look how faded it is. It's really rough. Oh man, what a mess. Alright, once everything's all settled, like painted and stuff like that, and this will be good to go. And I will be showing this to the folks at the Media Reload store. Their jaws are probably going to drop when you see it for the first time. And maybe they've seen this, something like this before, but who knows. So, that being said, thank you very much for putting this up. Well, thank you very much for watching, and leave a comment.